Hi guys, so how to fix Facebook Messenger call ended easily and fast in less than 50 seconds. Yes guys, so first thing you want to do is just open the settings, go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, go to the Messenger right here, click on force stop, and after that click on the storage, click on clear data and click on delete. After you click on delete, all the informations inside the app is gonna be deleted. But don't worry, the conversations are not gonna be deleted, just the informations like the password and the email. After that, click on force stop and then go to the data usage. Make sure to enable all these options. After that, open the Play Store or the App Store if you have iOS iPhone. Search for Messenger and update it. That's it guys, very easy and simple. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the very end. See you later.